If somebody comes up to you and says, Dr. Weiss, I have diabetes, give me your recommendations for exactly what to eat. If you had 60 seconds to basically just tell them one thing, what would it be?
I would eat a diet made out of whole, unrefined plant foods. I would tilt that diet towards a lot of dark leafy greens. That's the most important component. I would make sure to eat a lot of vegetables, yellow, green, and otherwise solid vegetables. Help yourself to fruits. Make sure you have legumes, lentils and beans, and also partake of starches as well. It depends what kind of, what you're using to treat the diabetes, whether it's maybe just diet controlled or with oral drugs or with insulin. But particularly if you're on the medications and particularly insulin, you should be under a doctor's care who is willing to work with you to relieve the drugs in a responsible manner so you don't get into trouble. And when I say getting into trouble, there is a concern with your sugars dropping too low because the plant foods that you'll be eating are so powerful that if you're taking them with the medications, you could bottom out your sugars, and that's dangerous. I forgot, of equal importance is the cessation of all foods that come from animal origin. Stop them. And all processed foods.